Of the tour, so as I mentioned, this is where we have all the actual props and costumes from the movie. Of course, there is a lot to see and read, so I'm just going to give you guys a breakdown of what's in each section so you make sure you hit all the important stuff that you want to see. So in this first room over here is where we have Ralphie's costumes and the original toys from the Higby display window that are seen at the beginning of the movie. In this room over here, we have some original Little Orphan Annie comics and decoder pins, as well as Randy's I Can't Put My Arms Down snowsuit is in the costume case in that room as well. Of course, in this main center section here, we have one of 6 Red Ryder BB guns that were made and used in the film. And the room around the corner from there, we refer to that as the Canada room. That's where you'll find artifacts from the Victorious School, such as the classroom door, coat hanger, and most importantly, the chalkboard. And when you look at the chalkboard that says A++++, actress Teddy Moore, who played Miss Shields, wrote that on the chalkboard herself. So that is, in fact, Miss Shields' handwriting on that chalkboard. In the very last section, we have some Lego prototypes, t-shirts and medals from our 5K, 10K races, and publications from Jean Shepherd. Now, if you plan on heading out early, that's totally fine. The back door will be your exit, and the back door only, so you can head out that way. On the other hand, if you really want to look at everything and take your time, that is absolutely fine. I will wait here until everybody is done. Once the next tour starts coming on in, then we'll head out the back door, go to the garages, and end the tour from there. As always, if you have any questions, I will be here. Just feel free and grab me.
Thank you.
Oh, and turn off your flashes on your cameras and phones. Thank you. They were done in 2
Right.
Yeah. I used to help.
What?
I don't know where it is. I got Raggedy Ann and Andy on my bed.
Miss Fairwell?
Is that mine?
No. It's, the young man, but,
Oh, no. Mine wasn't actual red now. Do you remember? Mine's red now, but it's flame.
you're bigger one.
They're not there, buddy. She's on his glasses.
Terry?
That doesn't look like the actress at all.
So what happened with that poster was that they made it for the movie complete, and they had a lot of imagination. Small.
And look, there's a cup right there. Cut was one where Ralphie rescues Flash Gordon from Maine and Merciless on Planet Mondo. If you watch the credits of the film, you'll see the actors are still listed.
Look. How's that get the bunny
Oh, keep running.
I saw that. No, it's in here.
Yeah, we're gonna head out for like 5 minutes.
Ski
Yeah, I remember the car ride with
She's like, I've seen too much. I'm sliding the ball.
With my luck, I've got that over.
That's the original lamp. Oh, that was inside the toys. They had a whole thing of toys. Yeah.
Unfortunately, this is not the one that you see in the Oak Lodge tire changing scene. We still do not know where the whereabouts of that car is, so if anyone knows, let us know. But you do see this one still in the movie. This is being driven around on Public Square at the beginning of the film. The producers put an ad in the paper for local car collectors to come down and bring their antique cars. So some sat with them on the side of the road running, others did laps over and over and over to make it look like there was busy traffic. And this is one of the cars that you do see. So of these two, this one is the movie star car, and with that, that does conclude the tour. So you guys are free to take pictures.
right here.